update on FNKO, FNKO Incorporation, a company of the leisure consumer cyclical sector, and who we have this primary trend line here off the July 2020 lows. Plenty of continuous reactionary lows to help validate it off the head and shoulder looking top here. And really, the dip traders, bull traders, they actually stepped in and they did break out of this trading range here. So, you know, with slight burns, slightly burning off some of these negative divergences, at least here on the MACD and oscillator. And really, we're at a key pivotal inflection point, not only with the top of the trading range. You know, it would be an aggressive short trade entry if you start to take a break below this 2107 price support. You know, you could start to scale in, but you have on top of that 2053 price support. It would be an aggressive, not ideal short trade, but still, and you know, depending on your risk tolerance, you want to see a break of that 2053. If we start to slip below that 2053 price support, coinciding with the top of the range, I believe maybe at least to the bottom of the top of the gap, just per the wick, coinciding with the 50-day moving average, at least a drop down to that 1874 for an 8% drop. And you know, we start to take that out, then you know, I suspect another bigger move to revisit of the neckline of the head and shoulder primary trend line here at that 1828 price support, or a snap. Once we snap this primary trend line, in my opinion, a solid daily candle close break below this trend line, that's it, in my opinion. That's a huge sell signal, in my opinion, and would confirm the neckline of this huge head and shoulder top that has continued to construct and really establish itself since 2020, a multi-year head and shoulder classic looking top, beautiful looking thing. Here on the weekly, start to take away all these lines here. And what's a little significant here is a bearish doji star here, where traders are, it's really an indecisive candlestick move here, and it's a bearish doji star. And really, we'll look at the massive drop the following week just based off that indicator. So, you know, pretty darn near nice looking, decent looking, not the greatest aesthetically, but a doji bearish star followed by this huge 15% drop here, and this is nothing but volatility. So we'll see key inflection point, in my opinion, due to the top of the trading range here, that measured out, and a break below that is a break of some really big multi-year support. And once that goes, and you go after that, you know, and I had mentioned 18, or you know, a drop, at least an 8% drop down to that 1823 zone coincides now, which will be support off the 50 weekly moving average. So a lot of supports and pivotal angles you have to be aware of. But that's really all I have there. And if you enjoyed the video, I'll keep you updated on FNKO, see where it goes, and keep you updated if I see any more significant developments in the charts. Please hit that like and subscribe button.